Get them down that fast, use your bare hands. Yeah, come on, just start scooping it in.
Is
it hot yet? Yeah, it is. It's hard.
Master, you're getting something out of this, though. That's the thing.
Eat them, you dirty girl. You gotta take a big old drink of juice, too, afterwards.
Straight up jalapeno.
I can record for a half hour on this.
I could record for like 4 hours.
Keep going, Aaron.
99 minutes.
Going. I want you to use your bare hands. Just shove it in your mouth. Do it.
Who's gonna take my time and eat them?
Is it hot yet?
No.
You can't drink anything.
You're such a liar. Oh, where's the tapatio? I gotta give him a big swig of that stuff.
I'll put it in the fridge.
No. I am looking where it's like.
Keep eating it. You look pretty red.
Eat, fat boy.
Hey, dude, he said eat them.
Dude, if that was nothing, you should eat more.
Yeah, you better just keep going. You can eat a little bit more.
No, he's gotta take a big drink of juice, so.
I still gotta take a drink of juice, dude.
No, just have him just not. You gotta have a big old pull of the jar.
Oh, man.
Hurry up, eat them.
He's around, though.
Oh,
Just give me one of those, Kyle.
You're gonna burn your taste buds off.
you gotta eat them faster than I can scoop them on there.
Dude, enough. Dude,
Yeah, no, you gotta eat them
Kyle,
fast.
just give one to Big Poopy.
So you better hurry up and eat it quicker. Poopy one. Those are actually good. I like them. Oh, he's gonna finish.
All right, now big old pull of juice. You gotta go for 10 seconds of drinking juice.
Drink juice, damn it.
Take a big drink.
Just keep going. At least 3 seconds.
That's the minimum.
It's hot as hell.
All right, go.
Eyes aren't even watering.
Keep going. That's 1 second. 2, 3. Oh yeah.
Are you kidding?
That is sick, man. How you feel?
I feel fine.
Your face is a little red.
I had a little water in.
That's gonna be hot as hell right now.
It's starting to kick in, yeah.
Yeah, you can't drink anything. You can't drink anything for 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes, probably more like.
Hey.
5 minutes, man.
Dude, I got plenty of time.
Your mouth on fire?
That juice was bad.
What is it?
It's because it's packed with seeds.
I don't put it back to the
Such a bitch.
What?
Look, you can see the sweat on his forehead.
Killed my dog.
Look, he's crying.
Look at the swell on his forehead.
He's crying.
Dude, hide those so when people walk by and ask me why I'm crying.
Oh my god.
Yeah, go put him in the fridge, Kyle. Look at his tears.
Disgusting.
This little baby crying.
What's the more? No, I'm good.
You only got like 4 more minutes.
Probably not.
Why would you drink Sprite?